There's a ton of different camera bags out there and different slings, and do your research, like find the one that's best for you. I've always found that Peak Design bags give me everything that I'm looking for as a photographer. They've got a ton of different styles, and this video isn't sponsored or anything like that by Peak Design, but I think the Peak Design Sling is perfect for this little setup. I've got a 5-liter Peak Design Sling here, and they don't make this one anymore. It now comes in a 6-liter, which will give you a little bit more room, which actually might be best for this little setup. But all these things are actually gonna fit in this bag and be really easy to transport, and it's still super lightweight and comfortable to carry around. So let's open this thing up. Inside the bag, you've actually got a couple of dividers. So we're gonna take one of our lenses, pop it down in here on the side, and then we'll flip down this little origami divider, and that creates this little shelf for the other lens. And now we've got like a bigger main compartment for our whole camera and everything else. We've got a nice little storage pouch up here, which has got little battery containers. You can put SD cards up here, really anything. This is like an ND filter for your phone. So I'll leave a link for this too. In here, I will put my little electronic viewfinder, close that up, and then the whole rest of this fits nicely right in here. Zip the whole thing up. And then on the back here, there's actually this channel for extra storage of the strap. But I also found that it holds a switch pod really nicely. And there you go. Easy little vlogging setup. I've got a whole series of videos about the Canon M6 Mark II and some other lenses and accessories that go with it. So be sure to check out the rest of my channel so that you can see those videos. Thank you so much for coming along on this one. Thank you to B&H for sending out this loaner camera for me to check out and bring to you. And I'll see you in the next video.